Hey guys, welcome back to my channel, and today we are at the YouTube desk again, this wonderful, amazing, dirty YouTube desk. And today we're going to be making slime, as you can see by the title. If you're wondering where my supplies are, right here. And I need to go get a spoon, so yeah. Okay, so I got my spoon, it's right here. I know you can't see my eyes, it's just, my room's really messy. You can't see that, but okay, I think that's good enough. Okay, so I'm going to be making glitter slime. And I'm still not sure what color to use because I ran out of food coloring. All I have is green and blue, and I already used both of those. So I think I'm just gonna do just clear glitter slime. So I think I'm gonna make it pink. So yeah. And if you didn't know what I'm making it with, this is my first time trying this. So I got a slime kit. It came with this thing. It's sodium teleborate liquid. I don't know if it's gonna work. So let's just try it. Alright. First I'm just gonna pour. It's not a whole bottle. It's that. Oh crap. You're gonna be seeing that a lot. Okay, that's better, but you still can't see my eyes. Okay, so you're gonna be pouring this into here. It can be a full bottle, a half bottle. It can be even like 5 drops. I've never made mini slime, but I really want to. Ooh. Ow. Okay, I'm gonna pause it. And it's not pausing. Okay, so all the glue's in there. And so now it's time for the glitter. What color did I say I was doing? Right, hot pink. I'm not gonna use all of it because remember when I made the Oreo slime and the glitter gets on my hands a lot, so okay, I'm gonna pause this when I get it out. Okay, so it's finally out. This is what color I'm using. It's like a purplish pinkish. So we're just gonna rip it. Okay, so it's open. And just gonna pour a little bit in. Oh, dang it. I dropped it in. Okay. Okay, so I accidentally poured all the glue in. I mean, all the glitter in. So, see you in a minute. Okay, so that was a mess, and I still have some glitter on my hands. So, accidentally poured the whole thing in there. Good job, me. Oh my gosh. Wait 1 second. So I switched to another holder. I'm using my tripod. And we're just gonna mix the glitter in. That was crazy. Like I said, I've never used this stuff for my slimes before. So I'm really scared if it doesn't work, just a waste of glue and glitter. So we're just mixing in really well. Love my shirt, Cornwall Tools. That's where my dad works. Okay. So now, big thingy. Okay, I'm not gonna pour it in there. I'm just gonna. Okay, I'm really scared. I don't know if it's gonna turn into slime or not. Okay, so it turned floppy. I think it's turning into slime. Let's turn some more in. And I might have to add some baking soda, which I have prepared right here. Okay, it's not really turning into slime, but you know, you need to wait a while. It's coming together, kind of. So, I mean, let's put some baking soda. Pinch. Put 2 pinches. Can't get my fingers in there. My hand's not fitting. There we go. Okay. Now let's mix. Okay, it's actually coming together when I put the baking soda in. So, let's add some more of this in. It's actually turning good, guys. I'll be back when it's slime. Actually slime. Should I do that? Yeah, I'm gonna be back when it's turned into slime. And when I can play with it. So I just added too much baking soda. It's not slime yet, but it's coming together really well. See, that's it. It's still sticky. So get the Sparkle Slime Kit, and it'll come with this, and it says warning on the bottom because you can't drink it. So this is really fun. I'm gonna try to touch it. I mean,
what you making?
Still sticky. Oh, hi, Malachi.
What color is it?
Oh, it's glitter. I use this stuff. It actually works pretty well.
Yeah, probably better than the contact solution.
Yeah, it's like really stretchier.
Yeah, I can tell from that. Might
really
want to put the lid back on that so it don't spill.
Yeah, but I'm still using it.
Oh, you are?
Yeah. Let's add some more in. Why is it coming out of the bottom? Oh. Okay, so I'm really excited to see what this looks like. I'm not telling you my age. Somebody asked me that at my school. Just kidding. Guys, look. It's so good. Okay, Malachi! Malachi, bring Gage too. Please? Gage is his friend.
Yeah?
Look at my slime.
Whoa!
I'm doing a YouTube video.
Huh?
I'm doing a YouTube video.
How did you make it so sparkly?
Glitter, duh.
I didn't know that you would put that much glitter on it.
Do you know me?
Not very well, but yeah.
Look at that. That's my chocolate coins.
I was just looking. Why are they so tiny?
I don't know. You're tinier. Okay, so I can finally touch it. My desk is really slippery, so that's why it's like moving all around. Okay, let's get some more out.
Dad, boy.
Where'd you see that at?
I made that up.
I know you didn't.
Yeah, I did.
You didn't make that, boy. Oh, you could have just saw him walk out the door. I didn't know it showed my door. I think it was just, look at that, guys. That's an accomplishment to me. Okay, so I'm gonna put some baking soda in here so it, like, there's just that inside of it. I'm just trying to get the rest out with baking soda. Okay, let's put some of this. No, my new pants, no. No, it's not sticky, so it won't stay. That was a fake fart, don't worry. Let me see if this stains clothes. No, it doesn't. Okay, I don't think I can get the rest out, but this is the slime I made. I have henna on my hands. This is like really good slime. So it makes a sound when you poke it. It's stretchy, very sparkly. You can swing it around. Woo. Malachi, look! No, you cannot eat this stuff, so don't try to make it so you can eat it. This is really good slime, so bye guys. Thank you guys for watching this pink sparkly clear slime, and make sure you do not drink this stuff if you have the sparkle kit. And this is really good slime, so I'll just encourage you to try to make it. And yeah, thank you guys for watching Brinley Davis, me, and at the YouTube desk. So bye guys. I might be doing more episodes of the cutest videos ever of my sister. So yeah, bye guys. See you next video.